Maguindanao is spread throughout the provinces of Cotabato, Maguindanao, Sultan Kudarat, and the newly created Sharif Cabanatuan. Cotabato City serves as the capital town of Maguindanao, and they mostly live along the basin of the Alat River and the Pulangi River or the Rio Grande de Mindanao. They are settled along the banks and in the valley regions of the river. They believe that Islam really makes peace and are working hard to sustain it. Maguindanaoan people are known to be good leaders. Maranao. The Maranao tribe is the people of the lake. They originally concentrated around the shores and upland of Llano Lake and coastal towns of Llano del Sur and Norte. The median city serves as the capital town of Llano del Norte and Islamic city of Marawi as that of Llano del Sur. Maranao possesses fair complexion, which is believed to be due to the benefits of Llano Lakes. They are also preservers of cultural heritage and have wide business affiliations. As such, Maranao are known as good traders. The last tribe is the Iranon. Iranon is the people of the shores or the Marmot